Hi guys, welcome to our channel VBA Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel VBA Coder. Today in this video we are going to see how to create a 3D column stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart, we require the data as shown on the screen. As you can see, we have the monthly sales by product, and this is the macro button in which I have assigned a VBA code. And first we will be seeing the output of a code, and then we will be getting into our VBA editor for the deep explanation and the understanding of the code behind this VBA code and behind this 3D column stacked 100% chart. So let's see the output first. So as you can see on the screen that this is our 3D column stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel, which is created in VBA. So if you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel VBA Coder. Now let's see the VBA editor and let's have a look on the code. What all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor, and this is the entire code which we are going to use to create a 3D column stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. So let's see what all codes are these to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. Let's get started. So the first step what we are going to do is we are going to create a sub procedure called create 3D column stacked 100 chart. And then what we are going to do is we are going to select a single cell inside our data. As you can see, this is my data and I have selected a single cell inside it. After that, we are going to write a next line of code which says active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2, and in the brackets we are going to give some parameters. Now these parameters will also help us to create the chart. So the first parameter is the chart value. For this video, our chart value is 2. Each and every chart has its own value, and for this video this is 2. After that we are going to give the chart type. So as you can see, the Excel 3D column stacked 100 is the chart type which we are going to create in this video. Now once you have given this parameter, we are going to give left, width, top, height parameters to position our chart. After giving all these parameters, what we are going to do is we are going to close the brackets over here, and then we are going to type dot select. Remember, this code, or I can say this line of code, will help you to create and select the chart. So once the chart is created, it will be selected, and now if the chart is selected, so the selected chart becomes our active chart. So after creating a chart, we have to perform some operations that will make our chart more presentable. So the actions are assigning a title, setting the tops on legends on top, and then creating this data table with legends, and the bars are also labeled well. So what we are going to do is we are going to perform all these activities using VBA code. So for that we are going to use with active chart. So once the chart is selected, it becomes our active chart. So we are using active chart over here, and then below that we are going to write dot hash title equals to true. Once you have given this line, the VBA code understands that our chart has a chart title. Once you have given this, what we have to do is we have to type in the next line dot chart title dot text equals to and the name of our chart title. So for our video, I have given 3D column stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. You can modify this as per your convenience and the data which you have. After that, we are going to set the legends on top. As you can see, the legends are on top over here. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to use dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element legend top. Once you have given this line of code, the legends will be placed on top. And after that, what we are going to do is we are going to show the data labels. As you can see, each and every bars inside our chart are labeled. So to do this, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element in the next line, and then in the brackets we are going to give MSO element data label show. So this will show the data labels for each and every stacked bar inside our chart. Once you have given this, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the grid lines from our chart to make it more presentable. So to do that, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element primary value grid lines none. So this line of code will help us to remove the grid lines. And then what we are going to do is we are going to create the data table with its legend keys. So as you can see, the legends keys are also here inside the data table inside a 3D column stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. So to create this, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element data table with legend keys. Once you have given this line of code, your chart will have a data table with its legend keys. Okay, once you have given this, what we are going to do in the next step is while creating the chart, you will be able to see some of the lines beside your or around your bars over here. So to remove those lines, I have written another line of code which says dot set element, and inside the bracket it will be MSO element chart float none. So that lines will be disappeared once you write this line of code. And then as you can see, we have already labeled, and we have the data table inside our chart, so we don't require the axis over here because our data is already labeled over here. So to remove the axis, the value axis over here, I have written dot axis, and inside the brackets it's Excel value, and outside the bracket I have typed dot delete. Once you have given this line of code, your axis will be deleted automatically. And then what we are going to do is we are going to end the with statement. As you can see, we have started the with statement, and now we are ending the with statement. Now congratulations, if you have followed till here, then you have learned how to create a 3D column stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. Now if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. And for more such videos, please do visit our channel page BPO Coder. Also, if you have any doubts and suggestions, please do comment in the comment box, and let's have a look on the last step. So the last step is, as you can see, initially we have selected our data, our chart over here, correct? So after creating the chart, we are selecting it. So after we have written or we have created all the chart title and the set all the elements, what we are going to do is we are going to select a single cell inside our sheet to deselect a chart. So to deselect a chart, we are going to write range and the empty cell dot select. This will deselect your chart. Now if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day. Bye.